Okay, today we got Hammerin Harry M84. This was a very weird one. It was passing RAM check, but the screen background was flickering in and out. Sprite's okay. You give the top board a wiggle around here and it come back a bit, and that was because you were interrupting the Cblk line, which goes to this pallet chip here, and this pallet chip here, what's been replaced, which had to take off at M72 anyway. So it's a good job. The other one was shit. Nothing else. One hit kill on that. So put that back. Very weird. Usually when that fails, it comes up RAM NG8, but in this case the output had failed, not the RAM section. Let's fire it on. This is the USA board as well, I think. Where's the demo sound at, man? There we go. How can you run a game with no demo sound? It's mad. It's part of the experience. There you go. Yeah, there we go. So, and another thing, yes, that is the one you need. For all those who keep asking me, which one do you need? Yeah, it's this one. 1.5 layers. There you go.